I'm going to show you how this one candle right here can change your life. This 15-minute candle together with entry on a 1-minute chart. I've shown you how to day trade and swing trade this specific strategy. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys more detail on how you can trade the one candlestick strategy for scalping using the 15-minute chart as your higher time frame drawings, okay? And then you'll find your entries on a lower time frame. Now, without wasting time, guys, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also give me your comments down below, guys. I need you guys to engage in the comment section. That is how we can be able to share this knowledge and also learn from each other. Also, join the free community on Telegram by clicking the link that is in the description of the video. Guys, before we go on to the video, let me show you guys the prop firm that I am actually trading with. Funded Trader Markets is a prop firm that has come to make it easier for you to get funded. As you know, trading with a very small account can be really hard for you to grow as a trader. You will get profitable, but you will get very small returns that may not be substantial enough for you to make a living off of. That is why we need Funded Trader Markets. So to get started, these are the steps that you follow. You choose your account type, make a payment, get login details, pass and verify your KYC, start trading, and withdraw your profit. It's as easy as that. If you fail, for example, your challenge, you can get a free reset, which is sometimes organized on the Discord community, which you can also join free of charge. Now, for you to get started, you can just go to the account types and then you can choose your program. They have one-step programs, two-step programs, and instant funding. I'll leave the link in the description of this video for you to go check out Funded Trader Markets and get started. So this one candlestick here is very, very important because this one candlestick tells a story. It tells a story of how the market opens at the bottom and closes at the top. That is, if this is a bullish candle, we're using this as a bullish candle. Let's make this green. We are going to look at the story of the formation of this candle here for us to be able to trade it on a lower time frame. As you know, a bullish candle opens at the bottom and it closes at the top, but it forms also a low and a high. The price action that forms this 15 minutes candle is between buyers and sellers. Whether big hedge funds or large institutions or speculators, small traders like us retail traders, doesn't matter. What matters most is there is price action between sellers and buyers inside of this candle. Now, inside of this candle, you'll find the lower time frame candles forming. For example, in a 15-minute chart, you'll have very, very many 5-minute charts. For example, you can have in one 15-minute candle like this one, you have 3 5-minute candles, but you'll have very many 2-minute candles, almost 8 of them. So we'll look at how we can get entries on those lower time frames, but using this 15-minute candle as our starting point. So how do you draw this? You guys have watched so many times how you can draw your drawings here on the higher time frame candle, but just to repeat, you mark the close of a bullish candle on top like this, and then you also mark its low like this, marking its low, and then that space in between, okay, it's called a tradable zone. You can call it whatever you want, but I call it the tradable zone. Put a zone there and don't put the zone close to the candle like this. Give it some space between this candle and the zone, okay, so that you can allow the next candle to play within the zone. All right, so we can just name it tradable zone. I mark mine normally purple. You can use any color you want. So this is how you draw this, and then what you're waiting for in essence is you're waiting for the next candle. Since this one has closed bullish, you expect that general market psychology believes, or the majority of the traders believe, that since this candle has closed bullish, the next candle also has to close bullish, or this momentum has to continue bullish. So that general market psychology is what you are going to use to your advantage. So what is that? It means that many people, or the crowd, will want to buy at the close of that candle right there. But for you, what you do is don't chase this trade, don't chase the buys, wait for a discount. Even in normal sense, for example, if there is a release of, for example, you have maybe a BMW or Mercedes-Benz, a new one that has been released by the showrooms, it's at the showrooms, right? And the price is, let's say, $100,000, right? That's the price of a new BMW that you really want to buy. You wouldn't want to buy it immediately it's released, because when it is released immediately, there is going to be very, very high demand for it. And since there is going to be high demand for it, the price is going to be very high, okay? So you don't buy at the open of that candle, the next candle, or at the close of this previous candle. There will be a lot of demand for people to buy from here. So what you wait for normally is you want to wait for the demand to come down, meaning the product has to become cheaper. So you wait for a discount like that. Where there is low demand, you wait for a discount. Once the price is discounted, the price of this market is discounted below these previous candles close, you look for entries within this tradable zone. This tradable zone here is just an area of discount where you can look for opportunities to continue with the momentum of the previous candle. So you wait for an opportunity to get into the market to buy. That is how you trade a one candlestick strategy. I have a detailed video that I'll leave at the end of the video for you to go and see how to do that. But if you want to understand the methodology in great detail, including all the steps that you need to take step by step, maybe you can book a session with me. My contact is in the description of this video. Then we can see how we can organize that. Now, I am not guaranteeing that all the strategies I'm showing you here are going to work 100% of the time, right? Remember that this is not any financial advice. Do your own research at your own discretion so that you make informed decisions, or seek services of a qualified financial advisor before you take any risky decisions in the financial market. Okay, I'm not responsible for any losses you may incur trading the forex market. All right, so do your own research. So after you have done this, you've understood that this is what you need to do, you go down to the 1 minute chart. In the 1 minute chart, for example, you'll have something like that, right? I usually advise that you use a moving average, the 20 period moving average. It can be EMA or SMA, it doesn't matter, any can work. So what you'll be waiting for is, as the price is dropping in here, the moving average is also dropping, so the price will break below the moving average. For example, at this area right here, the price breaks below the moving average. So you want to wait for the next time the price breaks above the moving average for you to start getting entries. That is the first way you can enter on the 1 minute chart or 2 minute chart, right? But you have very many confluences. Like for example, in this case, you can use this as a double bottom entry, like here, double bottom. You can even use a trend line. For example, if there is a trend line, let's see, if there is a trend line here, trend line break, you can enter from here. If there is a trend line break there, you can also use a Fibonacci. For example, if this price was coming from down like that, it had a low there like that, you can draw your Fibonacci from here to that high and then wait for it to the price to come to the golden zone around here for you to get your entries. I'll show you guys how to use that on a live bar replay so that you can see exactly how to trade that. But guys, give a like to the video, share this video to all of your friends who want to learn how to trade, so that they can all benefit. So guys, let's go on to bar replay so that we can see how to enter on a 1 minute or 2 minutes chart for us to get entries to scalp. All right guys, so as you can see, we are here on the GBP USD 15 minutes chart. I'm using GBP USD this time for this example, and as you can see, we are in a downtrend. We are in an immediate downtrend on the 15 minutes chart. Why? Because we can see that there is a break of this low here. You can see there's a break of that low by these candles, and the price is just retracing above to continue lower, right? Also, you can see that there was a break of that low there. If I can just zoom out, you can see there's a break of that low here. Price went up, failed to create a higher high, and then went down, broke this low also to continue lower. So if market structure is confirming it's an immediate downtrend on a 15 minutes chart, and also most importantly, the moving average 20 is above the price now. So we are in an immediate downtrend. So what we're going to do now is we are going to mark the most immediate closed red candle. We only mark red candles here. We don't mark the green candle. We ignore it. We only mark the red ones, right? So this is the most recent closed red candle, and I've marked its high, I've marked its close. Most of you are requesting me to do a sell version of this strategy, so this one is for a sell trade or a sell setup. Okay, So after I've marked the high and the close, I've drawn a tradable zone in between those two lines on the 15 minutes chart. Now I'll go down to the 1 minute chart. We are on the 1 minute chart. So what I'm waiting for is the price to pull back inside of this tradable zone right here, and then we'll get an entry. Once the price breaks above this moving average and also breaks below it, then I'll get an entry. So let's play along and see. Okay, price is in the tradable zone. Okay, it's gone back. Now it's broken above the moving average. Now here I'm getting ready to trade. Also, I want you to look at this before we enter any trade. You can see there is a high here and there is a low which has been created here. So we can draw our Fibonacci from up here to down at that low there, like that. Okay, so we can use two confluences. We can use Fibonacci and we can also use the moving average. Okay, and we can also use market structure. So we are going to wait for the market to reject this golden zone and push lower, or we wait for the market to break below this moving average. Let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see market came into the golden zone of Fibonacci above the moving average here. So we wait for market to break below the moving average. Like this red candle here is a big engulfing candle which rejects the golden zone of Fibonacci. If I can zoom in, you guys can see very well. It rejects the golden zone of Fibonacci and also breaks below the moving average. So that will be the entry trigger right there. Also using price action, you can see that this comes to a supply zone still. Okay, there is a supply here. This candle here is a supply zone. So the market still comes into supply. So here we see that there is also an evening star formation right here that we can also use as a confluence. So we'll enter a trade right there. We'll enter a short position here at that candle's close. All right, put a stop loss just above the golden zone or above that candle, and then we'll target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, just like this. Okay, let me just move this forward so that we can have some space. Okay, so we are going to play back now and see how this is going to play out, whether it goes into profit or not. Let's play and see. Okay, so the market goes into drawdown. We are in profit now. In profit, goes straight to take profit. Okay, you can see this goes straight to take profit without so much of a delay, as you can see, guys. So what do we learn from this? We learn that this strategy works. It works because it is based on human psychology. It is based on market structure. It is based on different kinds of confluences. You can be very creative at your own trying to scalp this using different entry techniques. But in this case, you can see that this trade reached take profit in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you were in and out of this trade in profit. So guys, this is the video I wanted to show you how you can scalp using the one candlestick strategy from the 15 minutes chart to the 1 minute chart for entries. You can use so many confluences to enter. You can use Fibonacci, you can use trend line breaks. Like for example here, I didn't show you a trend line break, but you can use a trend line break here. Okay, like here you can use a trend line break. These three candles here can form a small trend line. Like you can join here like this. This can be a good trend line right here. I know some of you will say, oh, that's a very tight trend line. Yes, it is a tight trend line, but it is a trend line. Okay, these three candles here can form a trend line. Once this candle breaks this trend line, you can look for your entries. Do some experimenting with how you can find better entries that can suit you better. Remember guys, as you're using this strategy, make sure you do your own back testing before you apply it on a live market. All right, also guys, use the link in the description, sign up with Funded Trader Markets and get started on your journey to getting funded, guys. Thank you guys in this regard. Until next time, peace and out.